Welcome to our live crafting session where we are going to build a model Tesla truck entirely out of wood. Today, we will explore the process of turning ordinary pieces of wood into an impressive Tesla truck model. First, let's prepare our materials. The wood has been carefully selected to ensure it is free from impurities and has been treated to prevent warping and pest damage. We will also need some tools like a saw, sandpaper, wood glue, and paint. Next, we move on to the design phase. Based on the technical blueprints of the Tesla truck, we will translate these into woodcut patterns. Each component, such as the body, wheels, cabin, and front bumper, is meticulously measured and cut to scale. After cutting the parts, we'll proceed to assemble the wood pieces. This step requires precision and patience, as each piece of wood is accurately joined together to form the distinctive shape of the truck. Following assembly, we move to the sanding process. We'll use sandpaper to smooth the wood surfaces, making them sleek and ready for painting. This step not only ensures aesthetic quality but also protects the wood. Finally, we paint and finish the model truck. The paint color is chosen to match the real Tesla truck as closely as possible. After painting, we might also add small details like headlights and the Tesla logo to bring our model to life. And there you have it. Our wooden Tesla truck model is complete. We hope you enjoyed these moments with us during the crafting process. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to our next creative project.